We've all had that feeling of being caught up in the intensity of a sports game. The buzzer, the whistle, the roar of the crowd, the shouts of the coach, and then that moment when everyone takes a breath as the shot is being taken. That's the feeling you get, that high, when you read The Crossover by Kwame Alexander. It is a realistic fiction novel written in free verse poetry. It follows the main character, Josh. He's also known as Filthy McNasty, who is 12 years old, a middle schooler, and enjoys basketball. And he's hoping this year that he'll win the championship. The one thing that's really cool about the flow of this story is how it's actually written and looks on the page. Alexander uses words and then uses caps and not caps and then has the words sliding down and moving, and you just get caught up in it. And I know you can't see it in the right direction, but it looks a little bit like that. I want to read you Josh's description of himself. Filthy McNasty is a mythical man-child, a rather dubious distinction. Always agitating, combinating, and elevating his game, he dribbles, fakes, and then he takes the rock to the glass fast and on a blast. But watch out when he shoots, or you'll get schooled, fooled, uncooled. 'Cause when Filthy gets hot, he has a slamrific shot. It's dunkalicious, classy, supersonic, sassy, and downright in your face, McNasty. Josh finds that his world starts to change. And as his relationship with his brother, his twin brother, Jordan, is tested, whether it be from things that they've done to each other or they've said on the court or even the girls at school. The one thing that seems to remain the same is his dad, Daman Bell, former European basketball star in his past. And he's still their number one supporter, number one fan, never misses a game until... No spoilers. Anyone in grades 5, 6, 7, and 8, anyone who knows what it's like to be young and feeling unstoppable and yet at the same time vulnerable will love this book. I recommend you get caught up in this whirlwind. It's a great ride.